SWOT analysis architecture for site selection. If you're an architect, architectural student, engineer, or design professional, understanding and conducting an architectural SWOT analysis can save you time, help solve design issues and more before you even start designing. Assessing the site's environment and the surrounding strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats can be a worthwhile task. In this architectural SWOT analysis, we will show the benefits and importance of knowing the risks and rewards before designing where your building will be built. If you are a stakeholder or investor in the design and/or construction of the building, an architectural SWOT analysis for site selection can be essential. Conducting an architectural SWOT analysis is important for site selection because it helps evaluate the suitability of a location for a specific project based on the architectural aspects of the site. It can help identify the potential strengths and weaknesses of the site in terms of its design, construction, zoning regulations, and other factors that are essential for the successful completion of the project. Some of the key benefits include better decision-making. By highlighting the site's advantages and disadvantages, the analysis aids stakeholders in reaching wise judgments. Reduced risks. The analysis helps to identify potential risks and challenges in the site selection process, which can help mitigate risks associated with the project. Better resource allocation. The analysis helps to identify opportunities that can help maximize the use of available resources and optimize project outcomes. Project outcomes are improved. It helps to pinpoint opportunities and strengths that can be taken advantage of to achieve the best results possible. What are site selection strengths? Accessibility. The site's proximity to transportation networks, such as highways, airports, and public transportation, can be a significant strength. Existing infrastructure. The presence of existing infrastructure, such as utilities, can reduce project costs and timelines. Zoning regulations. Favorable zoning regulations can facilitate the project's approval process and ensure compliance with local regulations. Natural resources. Natural resources, such as water bodies or scenic views, can add value to the project and make it more attractive to potential customers or investors. Historical significance. The site's historical significance or architectural value can enhance the project's branding and appeal. Unique features. Unique features of the site, such as a notable landmark or distinctive architecture, can create a unique selling point for the project. What are site selection weaknesses? Inadequate infrastructure. Project costs and completion times may be affected by a lack of vital infrastructure, such as utilities, roads, or internet access. Environmental risks. The site may be at risk of natural disasters, such as flooding or earthquakes, or environmental hazards such as pollution, which can adversely affect the project. Building restrictions. Zoning regulations or building codes may prohibit or limit the project's design or development potential. Competition. Other similar projects or businesses in the area can reduce the project's market share or profitability. High costs. The site's real estate prices or construction costs may be high, making the project financially unfeasible. Limited accessibility. The project's success may be hampered by the site's difficulty in being accessed by potential clients, suppliers, or workers. What are site selection opportunities? Growing market. A growing area can create a demand for the project's services or products. Economic incentives. The availability of economic incentives, such as tax breaks or grants, can reduce project costs and increase profitability. Demographic shifts. The project may benefit from favorable demographic shifts like an expanding population or a change in consumer preferences. Collaboration potential. The site's proximity to other businesses or institutions can create opportunities for collaboration or partnerships. Technological advancements. The availability of new technologies or innovations can enhance the project's capabilities and competitiveness. Infrastructure upgrades. The area's planned or current infrastructure upgrades, such as new transportation networks or utility upgrades, can improve accessibility for the project and lower costs. What are site selection threats? Economic risks. Economic downturns, recessions, or fluctuations in interest or exchange rates can negatively impact the project's profitability. Legal risks. Changes in laws or regulations, or legal disputes, can increase project costs and timelines. Environmental risks. Environmental disasters, such as floods, hurricanes, or wildfires, can damage the site or infrastructure and negatively impact the project's success. Competitive pressures. Intense competition from other businesses or projects in the area can reduce the project's market share or profitability. Social and political risks. Social unrest, political instability, or changes in government policies can negatively impact the project's success. What are site selection recommendations? Conduct a comprehensive site analysis. It should involve analyzing a broad range of data related to the site's physical, social, economic, and environmental characteristics. Identify all stakeholders, including the project owner, investors, local residents, and community leaders, who should be identified and engaged in the site analysis process. Develop a clear project brief, to ensure that the site analysis is aligned with the project's goals and objectives. The brief should include a detailed description of the project's scope, budget, and timeline. Consider sustainability and resilience. This involves analyzing the site's environmental impact, energy efficiency, and adaptability to climate change. Use technology and tools. Technology and tools, such as Geographic Information Systems, GIS, and Building Information Modeling, BIM, can be used to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of the site analysis process. Involve the design team early. This will ensure that the site analysis informs the design process and that the design is optimized for the site's characteristics and constraints. Visit SWOThub.com for the complete SWOT analysis for architecture site selection. Link in the description. Also visit our other videos on our YouTube channel of SWOT analyses for global companies and industries in food, tech, retail, and more. Leave a comment and let us know what you learned from this SWOT analysis video.